Hello and welcome to this Marathi tutorial in which I'll introduce the set of 8 questions covered in the Marathi Basics playlist and describe how to answer question 1, why is your project important? Before we get started, make sure to set the video to HD for best playback quality, and also check out the other videos in this playlist that will help you answer each of these questions. You'll find the links to the playlist in the video description below. This playlist is organized around 8 questions common to achieving results-based conservation practices. They're deliberately worded using common words that intuitively resonate with multiple audiences as being important questions to answer for all types of projects. Why is your project important? It's important to have a short, compelling description for the rationale and importance of your project. What are your nature and people targets and other primary interests? This information conveys what is receiving focal attention in the scope of your project. What problems are you trying to solve? Identifying the biggest problems affecting your targets and the underlying drivers behind these problems paints the situation analysis for your project. What actions will address priority problems, and what is the rationale for the selected actions? You need to describe the approach that offers the greatest promise for addressing problems and conserving the targets. What are the intended results, and how will selected actions deliver intended results? You need a theory of change that links the selected actions to near-term and longer-term results. Is there clarity on who, when, and cost information for action and monitoring plans? This question addresses basic work planning and project management needs common to all projects. Are you making progress towards achieving intended results? What is the evidence that your plan is being implemented and that the results are being achieved? Are you using progress and measures information to adapt? And are you sharing project information with important audiences? Progress and results need to get to decision makers in a timely way and be shared with others. This Basics playlist demonstrates through a series of short videos how Marathi helps you efficiently answer these questions using established best practices developed through collaboration among many conservation organizations. Okay, I'm going to cover the first of these questions. Why is this project important? There's great value in having a short, compelling description that describes why the project is important. Within Marathi, the project description field offers a place to capture this short description. I've opened up the Marathi desktop software program, and we're looking at the marine example that comes shipped with Marathi. We're on the summary view right now, and I'm on the project tab. At the top of the page, there's a step-by-step wizard that will walk you through guidance material that you can display whenever you want more help for any section of Marathi. You can close the wizard by dragging the splitter up, or you can use a triangle over on the splitter bar. You can see the contents of the project description field, and you can scroll up and down in the field. And you can add or edit text directly. But you can display the full contents by clicking on the icon over to the right, and that gives you a scalable dialog box that you can make as large or small as you need. With the right mouse click, you can create numbered and bulleted lists and use bold, underline, and italics to format your text. The content covered in the other videos will help tell the story of why the project is important, including the diagram view, where you'll find theory of change or results chain diagrams. But the short description is an important place to create a succinct summary. The project description text will be prominently displayed in other systems that display Marathi data. For example, I've opened up the online Marathi share record for this project, where you'll see the description at the top of the landing page for the record. That concludes this video in the Marathi Basics playlist that introduced the set of 8 questions and addressed question number 1. Make sure to give your project a good and convincing project description that offers a clear and compelling answer to the question why this project is important. In the next video, I'll cover the question, what are your nature and people targets and other primary interests?